What a good boy!
Andy and Bruce found the perfect dog.
I'm a kind woman, okay? But we have rules, and you know them. No dogs allowed. I need cinnamon.
Now all they need is a place for him to stay.
Don't you think he deserves a real home? Friday! No! Get back here! What's that? It's just an old hotel. Go! Go! Think they belong to anyone? If they did, would they be here? Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Oh yeah, why don't we just wander the streets and rescue every stray we see?
Bow wow wow, yippee yo, yippee yay. Bow wow, yippee yo, yippee yay.
We got straight on St. Andrews and 6th.
Come on, guys, you're being rescued.
Here, doggy.
What's the matter? Never seen a husky kid in a hoodie before?
You made this?
Yeah, let's take care of them, even when we're not here.
Thank you for riding the simulator. Please exit for the next customer.
That's cool.
From DreamWorks Pictures
I'd like to call in and complain about a howling dog.
We're close.
I'm hearing something.
and Nickelodeon Movies.
Do you know what happens if we get caught in here?
When the secret gets out,
Do you really think you could outsmart us?
Rather not answer that question.
the chase
Officer, would you please arrest these young felons right now?
is on.
We're gonna be in more trouble than we've ever been in, but we're gonna save the dogs. All right, guys, come on then.
Hey!
Oh, poop! Who poops on the floor?
Hotel for Dogs.
That has to be the grossest thing I've ever seen.
That's awesome.